Quiz 3, question 40. The point 32 is a point on the function f. So what should be the point on the function h if h is defined as f of x plus 1 minus 2? If we pay attention, let's try to understand what is the operation. There is plus, so there is 1 unit left, and then there is 2 units down. So whenever we have right or left shift, it affects our x coordinate. So 1 unit left is going to be the operation. We should subtract 1 from the x coordinate, but don't touch to the y. So the new point after shifting 1 unit left, the point is going to be 2 and 2. The next transformation, the next operation is there is a shift 2 units down. It is a vertical shift. Vertical shift is affecting y coordinate of the point, so don't touch to the x. And since it is 2 units down, we should subtract 2 from the y coordinate. So 2, 0 is going to be the answer. Question 31. There is a number in front of function and there is minus 1 inside. So because of 2 in front, we are going to multiply y coordinate of the point by 2. And because of minus 1, we are going to add, it is like horizontal shift, we are going to add 1 to the x coordinate. So the given point is negative 3, 0, and the operation that I need to do, plus 1 to x coordinate times 2 is going to be y coordinate. So the new coordinate of the point is negative 2, 0, which is a. What is the range of function? For a trigonometric function, range, for a parent function sine x or cosine x, the range is the close parenthesis, the region between minus 1 and plus 1. So the number with x doesn't affect the range. The number which is in front of function as a product is affecting our range. So if we multiply the range by minus 3, we are going to find the region minus 3 to 3. Range of cosine function, the logic is going to be same. So the coefficient is 4 over 5 here. If we multiply the original one, I mean range of cosine from minus 1 to plus 1 multiplied by 4 over 5 is going to be negative 4 over 5 to 4 over 5. Range of 1 over sine, we mentioned above, it will be like reciprocal of the range. So reciprocal of range is from negative infinity to minus 1 union from 1 to infinity, but they will be close parentheses. Answer is A. Question 45. What is the range? We have the same logic. The range of sine is the region between minus 1 and plus 1 originally, but if it is 1 over, we are going to use the other region on number line. So it will be from negative infinity negative 3 over 2, from 3 over 2 to positive infinity. Answer is C for this question. Range of the function, we are going to use the same logic. Because of 1 over, we are going to use the reciprocal, I mean the region before minus 1, after minus 1, but it will be used as a coefficient. If we multiply the endpoints by 1 over 2, answer is going to be C. Question 47. If there is a reflection about y-axis, x is changing the sign, but y is the same. X is changing sign, but y is the same. So answer is B. Question 48. There is a function and we know the domain. Whenever we have a closed region like this, closed interval like this, it seems it should be graph of a semicircle. We know this type of domain from the domain of semicircle function. Minus 3 plus 3 will be the value of radius. So it will be here, the square of 3 will be 9. But if we pay attention, the question is what is A? The number here before minus x squared should be 9, which is equal to a square. So A should be 3. so it will be plus 3 or minus. A is like going to be radius here, so it is going to be 3. The last two questions. It is a question from the book. There is a wire 2 centimeters long, and we are going to cut into 4 pieces to form a rectangle. There is a wire and we are going to cut into 4 pieces. The total length is 20 and the shortest side has a length of x. So if we pay attention, a rectangle has 2 shortest sides. If they are x and x, and if we call longer side as y, I mean the length as y, there are 2 lengths, y and y. The total is going to be 20. 2x plus 20, 2x plus 2y is equal to 20. So 20 minus 2x is equal to 2y. And if we want to find the length of y, we should divide 20 minus 2x by 2. So it is 10 minus x. It is going to give us the length, which is 10 minus x. After knowing the length and width, we can write area as a function of x. Area of a rectangle is product of dimensions. 10 minus x is the length, the x is the width, and if we multiply 10x minus x squared will be area function. By using same function, we are going to find the domain. Since 10 minus x and x are the dimensions of the rectangle, it should be only greater. It should be only greater than 0. 10 minus x should be only greater than 0. So x should be less than 10. So points of intersection of x greater than 0, x less than 10. If I draw a number line 0, 10, the region greater than 0, the region less than 10, point of intersection region is not C. Answer is A. It is the end of section 3, section 1. Chapter 1, section 3, quiz 3.